How to make your computer print money in 6 easy steps. I bet that got your attention, didn't it? I've been dealing with my headings. Sorry to dissatisfy you, but this article isn't about counterfeiting or how to get rich quick. It's about how to develop a successful website which will draw lots of traffic and make you lots of money. This is a massive subject and you could compose a book on each different step. I'm simply going to supply a general summary here of the 6 essential steps to producing a site that's effective over the long term. Pick your niche. Since you're going to invest a lot of time doing both, select something you enjoy investigating and composing about. It should not have a great deal of competition. For example, don't select electronic devices. I ensure you'll never ever get a better ranking in the online search engine than Sony or Amazon.com. Narrow it down to something like high-end audiophile speakers. Do some research. Have a look at just how much your keywords are going to cost for marketing. If they're actually pricey, you may wish to pick another niche. Have a look at some sites with comparable topics so you can see who you're going to be taking on for rankings in the online search engine. Choose your service providers and register your domain. Your provider should be trusted. If your internet connection is constantly decreasing or your server is constantly crashing, it's going to be difficult to preserve an effective service. Do not stint quality simply to conserve a couple of pennies here. Your domain ought to include your essential keyword that you're wishing to rank well for in the online search engine. It ought to be something special that's associated to your specific niche and quickly brandable. By brandable, I suggest simple for people to remember and associate with your website. Some call it mindshare. Create your content. Your content should be distinct. Google will tend to disregard you if your content is plagiarized. They now recognize duplicate content and decline to list it. They want to supply their users with beneficial outcomes. Individuals have been slapping together lousy, made for AdSense websites by just copying and pasting content, and Google's chosen to put an end to it. My advice is not to mess with Google. They're the 900-pound gorilla of the internet that you actually don't want to piss off. If you can't get listed in the search engines, you're practically doomed from the start. Give them what they desire. You'll need 30 to 100 pages of great content prior to you even set up a site. You might simply begin with a few pages and add a page day like you would with a blog, however, it will take you longer to get indexed. Are you noticing a style about the online search engine here? Create your website. You'll require to update your website often, and even for skilled web designers this can be challenging. You have to make sure your CMS is search engine friendly. Search engines love blogs, they're very simple to update, and best of all, WordPress is free. SEO is an extremely thorough topic that I can't get into here. Generally, you'll want to make sure your site can be easily crawled by the search engine robots or spiders. You must make sure all your pages load quickly. If your pages load too slowly, you will be losing enormous quantities of traffic. If individuals have a difficult time discovering their way around, they'll quickly get disappointed and leave. Drive traffic to your website. If your store's in a high traffic location, it's simple to get consumers. Until your site is noted in the search engines, there's no method for anybody to find it. It's up to you to drive traffic to it. There are several methods to do this. You can buy it by developing ads and then bidding on certain keywords so the advertisements will show up whenever anyone look for them. You can get it for free by writing posts on your niche topic with a link to your site in the author's resource box, and submitting them to post directory sites so publishers can utilize them and distribute them to thousands of readers. Submitting your site to complementary SEO-friendly web directory sites. Social bookmarking some of the more fascinating pages on your site at places like Dell.icio.us and Blink. Submitting some of your short articles to sites like Digg or Reddit, where people vote on whether they ought to be shown on the front page. If your product is popular and gets shown on the front page of Digg, the amount of traffic you get could crash your server. I'm not joking, I've seen it occur. Participate in online forums and provide a link to your website in your signature. Do not spam or you'll get banned. Make smart comments. Comment in blogs with a link in your sig. Again, don't spam. And ensure the blog site isn't utilizing nofollow or you'll be squandering your time. Post complimentary classified advertisements. These supply a high-worth link back from a popular site, plus you secure free targeted traffic to your website from the advertisements. There's many ways to get free traffic, just be imaginative but don't be too creative. There's a lot of unlawful ways to secure free traffic also, but they'll backfire on you in the long run. Monetize your website. This is the enjoyable part. Now that you've got all this traffic, how do you earn money? You can sell advertising. Probably the easiest method is with Google AdSense. You can also offer banner area, text links, practically anything truly. You can offer merchandise. I.D. recommend drop shipping. Why do all that packaging and shipping if you do not have to? That's excessive like work. You can do affiliate marketing. One of the easiest ways to do this is to feature advised items that connect through to your affiliate's website for purchase. Just make certain you choose quality items to be affiliated with. The sky's the limit when it pertains to monetizing your website. Be innovative here too, but again, not too innovative. You do not wish to do anything silly and get banned from AdSense or your best affiliate program. And there you have it. How to make your computer system print money in 6 not so simple steps. Now start and have some enjoyable